Hey there, fellow shoppers. If you've ever ordered something from Aliexpress and found yourself anxiously waiting for it to arrive, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into how to track your Aliexpress order in 2025. With updates to the platform, tracking has become even easier and more reliable. Let's jump right in. First things first, once you've placed your order, you'll receive a confirmation email with your order number and a tracking ID. This is your golden ticket, so keep it handy. Head over to the Aliexpress website or open the app on your phone. Log into your account and navigate to the My Orders section. It's usually right on the homepage or in the menu, super straightforward. Now, for the fun part, tracking. Click on the specific order you want to monitor. You'll see a Track Order button. Go ahead and click it. Aliexpress will show you the current status, like shipped or in transit, along with estimated delivery dates. If your order uses a third-party carrier like China Post or DHL, you might get more detailed updates here. But what if you want even more details? Copy that tracking number and paste it into the carrier's official website. For example, if it's DHL, go to dhl.com and enter the number in their tracking tool. This can give you real-time updates on the package's location. Pro tip: if your tracking isn't updating, double-check the number or wait a couple of days, as international shipments can sometimes be slow. One more thing. Always enable notifications in the Aliexpress app for instant alerts on your order's progress. That way, you'll know the moment it's out for delivery. There you have it, folks. Tracking your Aliexpress orders in 2025 is a breeze with these steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy shopping and safe deliveries.